structural health monitoring with wireless and web interface demonstration. I think the stage is already ready for you.
Thank you very much. We have developed a system that allows us monitoring of large civil structures like bridges, dams, large buildings or towers. Together with our VC Live technology, we are now able to assess remaining lifetime of structures after this exercise. And Mr. Fritz will explain how it works.
Okay, well, what I'm going to show you today is, first of all, our web interface and online measurement with our brand new hardware, the Primus Wireless. And the second is our web interface and the web access to one of our permanent monitoring systems to a bridge in Austria and downloading an automatically generated report. So let's start with the online measurement. We log in and we get our control unit software here. We take scanning and all the reachable sensor units which are online are listed here, left, and we select just one sensor, because just one accelerometer, a three-dimensional accelerometer is connected to the sensor unit, and, well, let's say we take 500 Hertz and start the measurement. Okay, on the right side, the measurement is going to the yellow light, so the measurement is bending, and if I refresh the status, you can see measurement active statement. Now, I'm gonna take the sensor, and as this is an accelerometer, I shake it to the X direction, Y direction, and vertical direction. And now we can refresh our status again and request data, and we get downloaded our data. Just zoom in a little bit and switch off the irrelevant channels, and you can see on the screen the blue one is the X direction, red one Y direction, and the horizontal direction, the green one. Okay, and afterwards we just stop the measurement. And the second thing I want to show you now is our web interface for permanent monitoring systems. We do have permanent monitoring systems all over the world. One is in Incheon, South Korea, for example, and I'm going to show you one in Austria. The first page for this monitoring system gives you an overview of the whole bridge and the project itself, with project description as well as pictures, geolocation, sensor layout, and as you can see there are green dots. The green dots are the sensor positions. If you go to one, you see there are 3 sensors in this location. For example, one dilatation sensor, and if you click this you get all the data of the dilatation sensors. You can of course zoom in or view the total timeline here, and the main thing on this is that we can download our report, which is automatically generated from the system. And the report contains data on vibration, temperature, bending of the bridge, in this case weight classes of the vehicles passing and speed classes, dilatation at the gaps, and at the last position the rating of the bridge, the overall risk level rating. Okay, this was our presentation. And if you have further questions, please come to our booth or refer to our webpage on the internet, www.vce.at. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Well, you mentioned already, we can possibly see a little more in detail what you are monitoring there online with all these different places. Have these been all the bridges you have currently you're monitoring, or how many can you monitor?
No, these are not all bridges. This is just the few bridges for the test user.
But how many can you do in the end? There's a limitation? Or?
No, there's no limitation. The limitation is just on the server. So
okay.
If we take a better server, we have more bridges.
Yes. Very good. Thank you very much. So, we move on.